We are in a meeting, how we should be very specific in asking references. I will be taking you to a ride where you will be very elaborately, I have explained everything. So if you will see references, how references should be asked, and first there is a little bit homework which you have to do. So where your product reach is, so which industry you are looking for your product, then list, how you can make the list. The easiest way to make the list is Google Baba. Then how to connect and who will connect you. You will see there are three ways. This applies to each and every business, and how you should go ahead is, first you have to be very clear with your segmentation. So what product you deal in and which segment market you can cater, that you have to identify. Then you have to target yourself, and the last part is the positioning, that who will finally connect you there. So if you will see, say segmentation, if I take an example of an event organizer where he can cater, there are different segments I have jotted down, that is colleges, school. There are many event companies, if you will see colleges, travel agents, pharma companies, banks, these are the segments where he can cater. Now how he will target? You have to actually identify which bank. If I select only two segments wherein pharmaceutical and banks, I have written the names. Exactly name will help you to reach that client very easily. Now how you will go ahead with all this? If you will see Mi Udyojak, we come here, we share our references, we get 60 seconds. There is a place where we can pitch ourselves. Then social media is a place where you can again connect with people on LinkedIn. It's a professional site. On Facebook, your friends, your vendors, your spouse connects. These are the different mediums where you can pitch yourself and position yourself. So what actually the position and who will connect? This I have jotted down randomly in our chapter and X chapter member's name. I have a specific name with the company connected there. Say if I say Tanuja Rane, she has a connect in ONGC. If I say Alchem Pharma, I know Nilesh Bhagwat from X chapter can connect me. This is a homework which you can create for yourself. Now in chapter, if I talk about Vaibhav chapter, I have taken example of Anil Sawant. He is into IT hardware, and how he can target himself is, I have created a segmentation. For example, he can pitch in corporate, banks, malls, pharma companies and builders. Now who is a target market, or if we jot down the name, I have written the name also. Say for example DNL or ONGC, even we have connect, Sandeep ji has come, he can connect to ONL, DNL, I can connect him to Deepak group of companies. Say HDFC, I know Prachi Kesarwani is a trainer there, she can connect Anil Sawant there. So this way you have to segmentize. And I have taken example of even Pallavi ma'am. Now her category is into Orgo milk, which is a very different segment altogether, but then she is contributing to someone's health. So how she can segmentize is, what the segmentation market is: nutritionists, gyms, dietitians, health centers, and if you will see pediatric and dermatologist also can help her. So this will be a segment market for her. And now who would be the identical person where she can target is, say Anjali Mukherjee is a renowned nutritionist in Mumbai. So that should be her target. I have to reach there, and how she will position? In 60 seconds she will pitch that please connect me to Anjali Mukherjee. So this will give a fair idea that how you can reach to your specific ask.